Brats, you know BoboVR. They make the M2 head strap for the Quest that I really like, the F2 fan that I'm using every time I use my Quest now. But they've got something all new they made that just came in. Let's check this thing out. Now the first question is, how in the world do you get into something like this that was shipped in, I don't know, what looks like an entire roll of packaging tape? You gotta have your unboxing knife, but you gotta be really careful. Whew, that is such a sharp knife. Even with that cut, I didn't get through all of it. Can you come out? Come out. Yes. After all that, it comes in a zippered baggie. Zip. This is the BoboVR C2. There is a problem with a lot of Oculus Quest 2 carrying cases. They are designed to hold the Oculus Quest 2 with either the stock strap or maybe even the Oculus own Elite strap, but they are not made for aftermarket head straps. This is looking to solve that problem, and they did it in such a way that it's designed to look a lot like the Oculus case. Still looks nice. It's got BoboVR branding right there, the C2. Bobo's very good about making sure you know it's their product because they don't want you to think this is more drop ship crap like a lot of the stuff on Amazon. It's got a nice soft cloth feel to it. Nope. Carrying case instructions. Tells you where to put your crap. This is actually designed to fit their M2 head strap, but it is not necessarily designed to fit headphones like mine. We're gonna see if they fit, we're gonna hope. So that fits in there. It's made to have this like spot that like holds the head strap up, and so because of that, these headphones, they're not loving the idea of going in there. I don't think they're gonna wanna fit. They're landing in the bottom, but I think when I try and close it, we're gonna have an issue with those. I'm gonna try to play with them a little bit and see if there's any way. But I think if you're like me, you got the Mantis Bionic, unfortunately this case is not gonna quite work for you because I don't think there's gonna be a way to finagle these in here without just taking them off. Yeah, no luck there. Let's take them off. So we've got it in there without the headphones right now. Pretty easy close. I am apparently rocking it a little high, so I am gonna have to push it down a little bit, and then it's gonna close up. Leaves you an area here, of course, to put these inside the headset. Now what I like about this case, unlike other cases, I don't usually love the fact that they have you put the controllers inside because I'm always worried they're gonna bang around and hit your lenses and maybe scratch them. Because it has this raised platform here, it is helping keep them away from it. There's not a solid wall there, but it is keeping them held back from it by not letting them get as far down to where your lenses are to possibly scratch them up. Then it's got this strap that actually can come over and kind of hold everything. This part, I guess this is stretchy here. So what that's supposed to do is kind of push down and hold everything in place a little better. But then it's also got this area up here, which they call charging cable placement area. So if you had your charging cable, you can actually open up this zipper and leave the charging cable in there. Closed test, you can still feel the headset a little bit inside. So if I'm pushing right now, I am putting pressure on the actual top of the strap. I'm not pushing on just the case. I can feel the strap through the middle of the case there. But it does feel like it's holding it very solidly. It is protecting it, but I would be concerned if you were to put this, like say under some heavy luggage and you had a tremendous amount of pressure pushing here, what it could possibly do to the head strap. Beyond that, it feels really quality. Zipper design feels great. It doesn't feel like it's gonna get caught. Like there's fabric only holding the zipper, but it's not wide enough that your fabric shouldn't get caught in the zipper, no matter how much you're doing this. The handle is like a leather type, and it's got metal rivets holding it on. I gotta say, as far as a case for this is really nice. Unfortunately for me, using my Mantis headphones, I'm not gonna be able to rock this case and have these all the time. I'd have to take them on and off, which I'm not gonna wanna do. Little preview though, BoboVR is working on a Pro case. I don't know if that means it's for the Quest 2 Pro, if that's the Pro for this. Maybe it'll have some more room to accommodate something like that, but they're working on a Pro that, and they're even working on a Pro head strap. Little insider information for you there. If I'd say something they could improve, maybe a little more padding in the actual case itself. This just feels like a couple thin layers. Like there could be a little bit of a squishy pad up here to help with some of that pressure, but it's perfectly designed to hold everything in place, which I really like about it. So I would definitely say over the Oculus Quest case itself, this is definitely a big improvement. It gives you the space in case you have different head straps, and it's got some good design in there to hold everything in place. Another quality and impressive product from BoboVR, I haven't found anything of theirs that I have not not enjoyed yet. I'm sure that will change eventually, but so far their products are pretty well thought out and I'm quite impressed with the company on the whole. I will leave a link in the description to the C2 in case you're needing something like this. But remember, if you're like me and you have headphones on here, wait for something else. It's gonna work for most of you, but unfortunately, it's not quite gonna work for me yet. Thank you so much for spending some of your time here with us today. I hope this video brightened your day a little bit, helped inform you about some new stuff, and I will see you in another reality.